What's up guys, Only Guy here. Today I'm going to be reviewing my Crosman F4 for the Barista $54 Amazon scope with adjustable. So, first of all, the quality of the gun's really good. At least for a $100 gun. The polymer feels pretty solid and only flexes a tiny bit in certain areas like this front bit. And the whole gun feels pretty weighty and pretty solid in general. Now we're just going to load up some Crosman hollow points, and I'm going to do a little 4-shot group first for y'all to see kind of the general accuracy we're getting here. First we're just going to do a shoot test to show you guys the recoil. Not bad. Not bad. It is a very quiet gun in my opinion. That ding was me hitting my target, so let's do a 4-shot group for y'all. Artillery hold. Okay, so I thought I had a flyer, but apparently the first shot was actually the flyer, and all the other ones actually all hit that target, which is very, very impressive. So see that target? That is a very good group. All the way from down there. 20 yards, guys. These are some Crosman targets. I've already shot them a few times. They spin. They're really solid and really good, and then we'll be testing the damage of the gun. So let's try this out. So for this gun, in terms of functionality, the safety works well, pretty solid. Trigger pull isn't really that nice feeling. It's a weird trigger pull, but the whole gun feels smooth. It's a little harder prime, but not super hard to prime once you get used to it. Just drop the pellet. Using Crosman hollow points right now, and they seem to be performing well in the gun. And the whole action is very smooth, very good. So I'm going to zoom in on those targets now. Okay, so we'll be aiming for the left, the right, and in the middle, and then we'll shoot the wood. And this is from 20 yards. See what we did here. We hit this target a few times, hit this little one a lot, so the accuracy of this gun seems to be quite on point here. I believe I hit low on this one, hit a little high on that one, and this one I seem to have hit pretty well. Now, looking at our wood here, didn't go all the way through, of course. Pellets look to have been flying pretty straight. So our damage is, zoom out. Yeah, pretty deep. Pretty good gun and very good grouping. Very good grouping. So all in all, I'd rate this target very well. It's very satisfying. The gun is very accurate. Now I will say, when I first got this gun, it was not accurate at all, but I think it was because I was using crappy pellets. Not pellets, actually. No, it wasn't the pellets that were the problem. It was the scope. So I had bought this Barista scope here that has the parallax adjustment, and I'll show you kind of what it looks like. It's a mil dot, so it's very cool looking. It's pretty good. Pretty good scope, and it has metal caps, adjustable, very big. It's nice. Yeah, and these are just the Crosman hollow points. Very good. I like the gun. See you guys in the next one. I think it's worth buying. Very accurate.